TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of mostly cloudy Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, all the U.S. indices trading to the upside, the Dow leading the charge. Well, not percentage-wise. Percentage-wise, that would be the semis. They're up 1.5% or $48. The Dow's up 322, about 1%. S&P 26, 0.6%. NASDAQ about 0.75%, 107 points. Russell 19. So all the U.S. indices trading higher. Spot volatility lower. Trade out at 15.72. Gold's off $6. Silver down 3 pennies. Natural gas up 9 cents out here. Trading out at 3.44. That wants higher price. The 30-year Treasury 159.27. 2 ticks the upside. Let's go take a look at our 9-panel market update chart. We begin by taking a look at the ES Mini. We can see that it's trading right into resistance. Resistance is 42.5825. That resistance is a top, really two topping patterns that were present on June 15th. One was Rhodes Momentum Indicator signal. The other was wave number 7. A close today about 42.5825 says the ES Mini wants to continue higher. His price will be above all resistance levels. In the case of the spot volatility, well below its 50-day exponential moving average. We'll pay attention to today's end-of-day candle session. Right now it shows up as a hammer candle. Hammer candles usually indicate that a bottom is being put in. If that's the case, then we would expect the ES Mini to move and the S&P to move lower. We're not making that call just yet, but at the end of the day, go check out the candle for the daily time frame for that spot volatility index. Short of any kind of a top out here, the NQ wants to go target 14,545. That's 1.272 expansion of its C to D leg. U.S. dollar index, although no support on this chart out here, it may be making its move higher. That's really the message coming from gold and silver at this stage here. They have not been able to do anything much, just a sideways, small-bodied moves out here. Price is still above support. In the case of the support for the gold contract, you've really got your monthly and your daily profiles. In the case of silver, it's the daily at 25.87. Price gets below that, we should see the next leg down in metals and the next leg up in the U.S. dollar index. Light sweet crude on its way up to 92.15, trade above the top of its daily box. 92.15 is a longer-term price objective. You can see natural gas here breaking out above resistance. That was at 338. And the 30-year Treasury still holding well. It's got to top it. It's got to sell the D point, a Gartley sell pattern. But price has got to get below the top of its daily profile. That's 159.15 in order for there to be any downside traction. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. If you're off to start your Thursday, have a thirsty one. We look forward to seeing you soon.